So now assume we are going to run on 21 March 19. But first, again and again, check the critical is the same as the longest path, and only the 0 total float appears. The longest path is the same. Only the same activities and the 0. So to illustrate the difference between the longest and the critical, let's run on 21 March 19, just to illustrate the example. We'll go, you can run, you can go press here for year or month, then go easily between the years, then pick the month 21 March 19. Let's run. All are negative, but here we have negative 187 and negative 243. So this one, or negative 244 and negative 247. So the highest negative float will be the longest path, but while all are critical. So if you filter by the longest path now, you will find the same critical or longest path before running on 21 March 19 when you were used to run on 14 April 18. Check. Now the longest path is exactly the same activity, structural architecture exactly the same. But if you filtered using the critical, it will show all of the project, because all now are critical and you have surpassed the completion date. So all and each activity is critical. I hope this is clear for you, because this is very, very, very important while doing the update. Believe it or not, a lot of planners and even professional ones miss this tip. So always make sure that you know it right. So let's go back to our default settings. For now, we are going to remove, or we can keep it for now. We can keep it, but we might make further changes. So yeah, it's better to remove it now, and we are going to see it in another example later on. So we remove it and keep everything the same. Go back to our activities.